Hello, I'm Kundan here and I welcome you to a complete course on the Indian stock market. First of all, I would like to thank you for registering this course and showing the trust that attending this course will add value and it will justify the time and the money which you are going to spend here. And I'm really thankful to you for supporting this as well. One of the reason why I wanted to make this course because I saw a lot of courses, a lot of reading materials, but I found them that they all need to be clubbed together and presented in a very common man language so that everybody can read it and understand it. So this courses will be in the video format, different kind of videos will be there. So in the first section, the format of the video will be this only, where I'll be presenting myself and I'll be running on the right hand side a certain text. Because the first 12 lessons or first 12 chapter or classes, you can say within section 1, is more about very frequently asked questions from the stock market. So I have been doing a lot of webinar from last 5 years after quitting from the industry so that I can spread financial literacy, and these were the basic questions which were asked from a lot of people. Now that you people are attending it in a mode where you won't be able to throw question to me, so I tried to summarize all those questions together and put it into one form. Okay, but am I running away from the question from you people? No. So when you have taken this course, I'll make sure that I keep sending you webinar link as well, for which you need to check your WhatsApp and also your email ID. The best way to progress with this course is you save my number 95997 26400 and send me a WhatsApp that you have registered for my course and you want to be added into the broadcast list of all the course takers, so that I'll add you into the broadcast list and I'll send you the webinar Q&A links. So this is not a 100% commitment that how many webinars I'll take, but a minimum of 4 webinars on the Q&A I'm planning to take for all you people. 4 because the very first Q&A session will be more around how is this course, you can ask about me as well or any generic thing which you have. And then since this course is approximately will be covered in 3 months, after the end of every month of your course, I'll club you together with the other participant and send you a link so that you can ask Q&A also there. Right. So you can save my number and send across all, that detail of your course, detail of your email ID and mobile number and your registration detail so that I can add you into the broadcast list. Well, this was an introductory video and this session will be around, the very first video is also about that I'm going to explain you what exactly we are covering in section 1. So in most of the places you will see that FAQ is covered in the last, but here we are covering FAQ in the very beginning so that you have the comfort with the course and then you also have comfort with the myths of the market. So a lot of things are there into your head going on and you will keep on thinking what's the real answer for that. I tried summarizing the answer for all of them in the very first section. So first section is about FAQ. This starts here. Here starts the module. In second section, you will learn about fundamental study or the building blocks will start in the module 2. So in module 2, you will learn about basic economics, Indian economy, Porter's 5 forces of the business, different kind of sectors which are there in Indian economy. Then you will also learn how to map economy with the country or the economic performance of the country, basically economic performance, because in every economy you will have 15-16 different sectors and only few of the sectors are going to do really well in future. So you need to learn how to identify those sectors, and then you will also need to learn how exactly to identify a company growth path with the sector performance as well. So certain companies should have certain inherent skills, strength, so that they will outperform their player into the same sector. So building blocks of the stock market will be covered into module 2. In module 3, we will learn about the fundamental study. So a lot of things are there. So here I'm going to teach you intrinsic valuation, I'm going to teach you relative valuation as well, financial statements, all three kind of financial statements, and then on DCF valuation, equity research practices. So these are all the part of module 3. In module 4, it will be an introduction of, if you can see here, the portfolio management. So it starts here. So when you are investing into stock market, it is not about only investing into stocks. It's about creating a good portfolio of stocks, at least 10 to 12 stocks. So how to create that portfolio is something you will learn in module 4. In module 5, you will learn about the risk management. I'm sure many of you would have heard about future and options. Yes, we are going to cover all the application part of future and option, their definition, and then you will learn that actually future and option is there for risk management. And how you can do the risk management is something which we will learn in module 5. Then we will move towards, some people have a lot of fondness about option writing strategies. Yes, option writing strategies is something which can give you a consistent income, and this is not an investment, by the way, it's a trading strategy. So people who are taking this course, I'm sure many of them want to be trader also, investor as well, career seeker as well, first time user, people who are already into the market as well. So in my own way, I'm gonna also cover a lot of option writing strategies which are there, which have been proven from very long time. So option pricing is something which we will cover in module 6. Then here starts the module 7. Hey, module 7 is all about technical analysis. So right now I don't want to stress much into it, but yes, the core concept of technical analysis, and one of the best practices which are there in the technical analysis which you need to learn is something which we will cover in module 7. Module 8 is about different kind of myths, so a lot of time people says that, okay, the quarterly result really came well, but the stock went down. What is, stock split? What is merger acquisition? What is buyback? What are the tax harvesting techniques into stock market? How taxes and fees implicate? So I call it myths and other stuff, the different unusual situation and myths of stock market is something which we are going to cover in module 8. Module 9 is all about different case stories. History teaches us a lot of things. So in module 9, we will learn what has happened already in history and what lesson we have to take from them. Great Depression, Harshad Mehta scam, Ketan Parikh scam. So case studies is important part of any management course if you go ahead. So it was very important for me to identify case studies and include them here. Once you are taker of this course, these case study section will keep on enriching. I'll keep adding more. At the moment I have, I think, taken a good 13 14, if I start from here, I mean, I can see there are around 15 or 14, 13, I guess 13, 12 or 13, yeah, 12 case studies are already I have taken here. And final module is about what are the different career opportunities in market, how you can start as a consultant in the second lesson, and then if you really want to become an entrepreneur and start your own business, what are the different businesses which can be done into stock market as well. So this was a welcoming video for all of you, and I would like to repeat one more thing here, that Q&A session is something which I will be looking very positively, because there I'll be interacting with you people on webinar. You may ask some very difficult question. I will try to answer whatever I can with my limited knowledge. But yes, I love giving webinar. I am trying to be as explanatory as possible in these videos, but Q&A session is something which I promote a lot. I'll be, see, there are a lot of people who are going to take this course. I'm very confident about it, because we are trying to give you value. We are going to give you videos for lifetime, then case studies, webinars, hand holding. So I'm very confident about one thing, that if you are doing something with really great intent, good intent, and offering at the right price, people will flock to it. With this belief, I have created this course, and I hope that it actually reaches to million customer, million people, and I safeguard them from doing mistakes into the stock market. That's my real intent. Plus, how is it possible if we have really a good ecosystem? In the good ecosystem, you should have good consultant, good employees who are working into the stock market, who are ethical, who are not working in only tip selling companies or just promoting broking so that they can generate for their employer and get good bonuses. But I also want that people who are taking this course from the perspective of becoming a good financial advisor or stock investment advisor, that will also add a lot of value. These people will be doing ethically their job and helping the end customer at the end of the day. So if I'm able to help a million, 10 lakh people in India to not do mistakes, either directly by impacting this course or via those people who will learn stock market from me, will also try to practice it ethically. And India is a very big market. We all Indians, India is a growing economy. One day we will become a superpower, and it is only possible when we do things ethically, when we generate a lot of trust between each other, right? So you trusted me, give me an opportunity to present one course to you. I'm really thankful for that. The only thing which I'll try is I don't break your trust. I keep on enriching this course. If you have any confusion or if you think there is any quality lag, I'm not teaching you something right, I'm more than happy to get a feedback from you people. All you need to do is basically WhatsApp me. My number is there with you. It's 95997 26400. Also, now that you're watching this first video, I want you to basically send me a WhatsApp message. So why there is a reason why I'm asking and stressing and again and again. If you send me a WhatsApp message, it means you'll first save my number. So if I add someone in my broadcast list, but he has not saved my number, he will not receive my messages. We have been doing it from very long time. I have got a good subscriber base. It is not possible for me to message all of them one by one. So I ask them and I create broadcast groups. So in one broadcast group, I can add 256 people. So even if I have 2,500 students in 10 broadcast group, I'll be able to very easily communicate with them. So if we use technology efficiently, it becomes very easy for us, right? So thanks, welcome again, and thanks again for giving me your valuable time and also the fees for the course, which will help me enrich this course, enrich the platform, and everything else which will be required. Thank you very much. I was Kundan, and I'll be seeing you in next video, or I should say you will be seeing me in the next video. Thanks a lot. Thank you.